Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now today's video is going to be a very different one. You guys, creators are struggling with putting out content this period, okay? So I'm giving you guys more home content, you know, more home-like content that you can relate with, all right, in this lockdown era. And today's video is going to be an I tried following Sisi Yemmie recipe video. Okay? If you are living in Nigeria and you do not know who Sisi Yemmie is, what are you doing with your life? What are you doing with your life? Because Sisi Yemmie is a food lifestyle content creator, YouTuber based here in Nigeria, and she's been giving us back-to-back recipes this lockdown period. Back to back, different recipes, amazing recipes. When I get bored with what I eat on a regular at home, I hop on her channel, look for one recipe that I've ever tried in my life, and I try it and I'm happy. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating for the very first time her minced beef macaroni recipe tutorial. Yeah, I'm going to be doing that in this video. I'm going to be filming the whole process, following her video, following her steps, following her ingredients, everything, and hopefully mine turns out as nice as hers did, okay? And if you guys want to see all of this good stuff in this video, then please keep on watching. Beef macaroni. I have a recipe that's like a minced beef spaghetti recipe, and it was a hit back to back. And this recipe is going to be equally as delicious, if not more. So she used onions, green bell peppers, and ginger all chopped. So I'm just going to be chopping all of my own stuff. You guys, I also love putting green pepper in most of my pasta or indomie or eggs because I just love the flavor that green pepper gives to dishes. I really like it. The only thing I don't put green pepper in is soup. We're going to be having this meal for lunch today, so it's not like I'm just making this food for making sake. We actually need to eat in this house this afternoon, so it's going to be our lunch. I hate peeling ginger, you guys. I don't like it. Okay, so I have my minced beef here. If you guys are wondering, you can buy minced beef from ShopRite, and this one I think is already spiced too. From what I can see on the description here, it looks like it's already spiced, but this is what we are going to be using. For my macaroni, I'm just going to be using golden penny macaroni. I have one, like half, that I haven't used, so I'm going to be using these. Also, she mentioned tin tomatoes and fresh tomatoes, but I think I'm going to just keep those two ingredients, only those two ingredients, because I already have a stew at home and this stew is heavily spiced. I'm going to just stick to using stew for this recipe. One more thing I'm going to add that she didn't add in her recipe is sausages. I know you already have minced meat in your recipe. Why are you? Mia, can I help you? Mia is knocking on the kitchen door. She wants to enter inside this place. I'm sure you're wondering, you already have minced meat. Why do you want to use sausages? I'm just extra like that. So I'm going to just chop up like 2 sausages. Mia, can you leave me alone, please? Okay, so everything that we need is ready. So let's get cooking. This recipe in different layers or different batches. I think my onions is not enough. Minced beef now. You guys, it doesn't take too much to just transform a dish from a regular dish to something really nice. Something as simple as minced beef is just like really good to just transform your pasta, really. And this one was not even expensive. I think I bought a pack of this for like 300 and something naira in ShopRite, like less than 400 naira, and I bought 2 packs. Some salt. I'll just add a bit of salt. More onions and some more green pepper. That's what we're doing now. And then she added the ginger. So let's add the ginger right now. I'm going to put my sausage towards the end. At this point, she added the tomato paste and the fresh tomatoes, but like I said earlier, I'm not going to be using stew for mine because I'm lazy like that. I already have stew at home. I'm not using all of the stew though, just a little. I'm just going to let that fry for a little bit. You guys have cheated in this recipe. Sisi Yemmie, I'm sorry. I did not use everything you used, but I believe stew is made with tomatoes. I even made my stew with tomatoes and tin tomatoes, so it's almost the same thing. Almost, not exactly, but almost the same thing. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. For me, I always drop a bit of oil in my water whenever I'm making pasta so that the pasta doesn't stick together. So just a little bit of oil. I'm adding a little bit of salt. I usually don't add salt to the pasta at this stage, but Sisi Yemmie said add salt, so we are adding just a little bit. Saving the water out because we need the water for the recipe. Some of that sauce, some pasta, some of that minced meat goodness. Gonna add the remaining sauce, more of the meat. I'm going to start adding some of my spices, right? Forgot my sausages. Spices. You add the pasta water. That's what I'm doing. Also check for some seasoning just to be sure that, see, I mean, this your own macaroni and my own, it's not the same. Guys, this thing smells amazing. I'm even like, smells so good. And very true, that pasta water actually made the macaroni creamy. It actually did. Like, wow, okay, I like. You guys, this is my own minced beef macaroni. Followed Sisi Yemmie'S tutorial and I came up with this, and trust me you guys, it's so yummy. I just had a taste right now. And it's so good. I put my own spin on it like you guys saw. I used stew instead of tomatoes and tin tomatoes, and I also added some sausages in mine, and it's so nice, you guys. Absolutely love it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.